In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Jotform with Apple Pay and Google Pay. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then log in to your account. From My Workspace, select My Forms, click Create Form, choose Start from Scratch, and then select Classic Form. In the Form Builder, click Add Element, then open the Payments tab. Search for Apple Pay and Google Pay, then add the payment element to your form. Click Payment Properties, then click the Connection button and choose your preferred payment gateway. Enter a connection name, click Connect, and sign in to your payment gateway account to complete the authentication. Next, choose the payment type, such as sell products, sell subscriptions, user-defined amount, or collect donations. Select your preferred currency, then open the properties settings and enable show total price if you want customers to see the final amount before paying. When you're finished, click Preview Form to test the payment process and make sure Apple Pay and Google Pay are working correctly. That's how to integrate Jotform with Apple Pay and Google Pay. Thanks for watching.